Do you remember about our yesterday class? Yes or no?
Yes,
Student.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
मैंने कल क्या सिखाया था? What did I taught yesterday?
Tumor of kidney.
Tumor of the kidney. Okay, okay. You still remember the definition? Still remember the definition? Rudolph, you still remember the definition that I taught yesterday? Rudolph?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, say. Then we will start. Just a slight review. Say. What was that tumor? Kidney. Tumor of kidney. Abnormal what? Abnormal? Who want to help?
Abnormal cell growth.
Yes, abnormal cell growth. Understand? Okay. It is an abnormal mass or abnormal growth of the cell that develop in our kidney. It is known as the kidney of tumor. And I already discussed all these things. Types of tumor, again, I'll revise. Type of tumor, how many type we discuss? Srijana, you have any idea type of tumor?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. Yesterday, like we have this class, okay? And I already uploaded the video also. You see this, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then let me rewind back again. The two types of tumor. That is, one is the benign tumor, which is non-cancerous, and the other one is the malignant tumor. Now, Sheetal, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Sheetal. Okay. Is Samuel absent today?
Somewhere.
Is Samuel absent today? What happened to him? Okay, there are two types of tumor. One was benign, one was malignant tumor. One was cancerous and the other one was non-cancerous. That was what we discussed yesterday. And then some of the types. And then today we will be discussing about the benign tumor, the types of benign tumor. Yesterday, did I talk about this risk factor yesterday? Risk factor? Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Ishan, can you tell me what were the risk factor before we start this type of benign tumor? What were the type of benign tumor before we start this? Can you please tell me what are those clinic risk factor that I have discussed yesterday? I think I gave 5 points. Can you please hurry up? Ishan, मैंने कल रिस्क फैक्टर सिखाया था, पांच सिखाया था, उसमें like you explain.
Ma'am, forgot.
My God, yesterday, oh God, then okay, what who will Shelly, can you please tell me? Shelly, I thought yesterday, isn't it? Yesterday I thought about the 5 risk factor. If you all will forget like this risk factor, how can I continue na the other part? मेरी कल जो सिखाया था वो भी भूल जाने से तो मैं कैसे नया टॉपिक like मैं कंटिन्यू करूंगी? Say.
Men are more at risk than women.
And then after that,
Because of high blood pressure.
okay, correct. And then what else? Okay, Rifen, you help her. You help Shelly. Rifen, are you there? What were the risk factor? Rifen, you help Shelly. Okay. Rudolph, do you know the answer? Rudolph, do you know the answer? Yes or no? Rudolph, you know the answer?
Yes,
Okay, you say.
ma'am. What's the question?
The question is that what are the risk factor that we have discussed yesterday? The risk factor of tumor of the kidney. Yesterday, I have given you all 5 points, isn't it? You can just tell me all those things before we start the new topic. Risk factor. You forgot. Okay. Surajit, tell me. Senkamji, tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Sally,
Risk factor, ma'am.
Sally already mentioned 2 points. Nah? Apart from that 2 points, another three points are left. You just say that.
एडवांस एज मैम
Yes, yes, correct. And then?
तो 60 के अबव होता है वो और जो पेशेंट पहले से ये हुआ था ना कैंसर हुआ
Kidney.
था
Yes, yes, yes,
उसको
yes. Okay.
उसको और री री क्या बोल रहा था उसको मतलब उसको और आने का चांस है
Or reinfection. Okay, good, good. Then?
हाँ और इन्फेक्शन भी इन्फेक्शन का चांस है
Okay, very good. Okay. Today we will be discussing about some of the types of benign tumor, isn't it? Srijana, you have any idea about the benign tumor? Do you have any idea?
No.
We will be discussing about the types now. So you have to know that what is benign tumor. Then only you'll be able to understand what are those types. You have any idea benign tumor?
No, ma'am.
Or benign tumor, like benign tumor. Oh, Sheetal, you explain for Srijana. Sheetal, explain for Srijana. Sheetal, hurry up. Bolo, usko explain karo.
Non-cancerous and doesn't spread in our body or organ.
Srijana, you understand what Sheetal said?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, benign tumor are this kind of tumor, you know, like if tumor occur, then also it does not spread to our body or any part of our organs. That is known as benign tumor. So now today we will be discussing like some of the benign tumor. Okay. This is the first tumor that comes under the benign tumor. That is it is the first classification, the first type, that is metanephrique adenoma. All these try to please by heart and keep on writing down what are the types of benign tumor. Keep on writing down, or you just write down just the heading, so that after I ask you now, after the class, if I ask you, you can just say the answer. The first type is metanephrique adenoma. What is this metanephrique adenoma? Metanephrique adenoma of kidney is a rare benign tumor. Means ye benign tumor here, consisting of epithelial cell. This tumor consists of epithelial cell, and it arises from the distal nephron or collecting duct of the kidney. That you know, not like the in nephron you have studied now, all those distal convoluted tubal, proximal convoluted tubal, all these we have discussed. So this tumor, where does this metanephrique adenoma tumor occur? It arises mainly from the distal nephron or collecting duct of the kidney. This type of tumor you will find here. And this is the metanephrique adenoma. This is how. This is our normal kidney, and if there is a tumor, then it used to occur like this. This is the adenoma, this part. You understand what is metanephrique and from where does it arise? All this, see nicely once again. I had given very simple. Okay. Ilasara, can you explain me now? Just now what I have explained by looking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, explain. What is the first type of benign tumor?
It's a metanephrique edema, and it arises from the distal adenoma. Yeah, and it's a rare tumor consisting of epithelial cells.
Yes.
And it arises from the distal nephron or collecting ducts of the kidney.
You all know now what is the distal nephron, what is the collecting duct of the kidney. All this you have seen in nephron, isn't it? In your anatomy, physiology, everything you have seen, huh? Yes or no? Or yes, else I need to let you draw again the nephron. No, I won't do that. Okay, that is the first point. Please try to remember this. Okay, the next is oncocytoma. Do you have any idea about oncocytoma? Onco. Is the screen can you see the screen? Is it visible, the
Yes, ma'am.
screen? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
minute. Okay, and oncocytoma, what is this? It is also a benign tumor. Okay, it is a benign. It is also a benign tumor, a benign tumor of oncocytes. Oncocyte, these are unusually large cells that tend to form in our into tumor. Means this oncocyte क्या है? ये unusually large cell होता है, unusual large cell होता है, that tend to form into tumor, like large cell form hoki, it tend to form into a tumor. So those are known as the oncocyte. So like oncocytoma is also, it is also a type of oncocyte that is unusual large cell that tend to form into the tumor. Oncocytoma can occur in any organ, like mainly like it actually mainly it occur in the kidney. Okay, this type of tumor that is oncocytoma, it mainly occur in kidney, but apart from kidney, it can also occur in any organ. That is, it is very dangerous. And here, but what happens is that they are particularly common in the kidney as well as in our salivary gland. Salivary gland पता ही क्या है? ये वाला जो oncocytoma है ना, ये हमारे salivary gland में भी हो सकता है. तो what is salivary gland? Do you know what is saliva? Do you know what is saliva? What is saliva?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Can anyone tell me what is saliva? Trishna, saliva क्या है? Srijana, without salivary gland, can the saliva be produced?
No, ma'am.
Because what are salivary gland? The salivary gland are what? They are,
Submandibular. Sublingual.
yeah, say. Human have how many like pair of salivary gland?
Ma'am, 3 types.
Yeah. What are those?
Submandibular, sublingual, and
Have you heard the term parotid?
yes, ma'am.
Is it parotid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That means salivary gland what? Salivary gland in mammal, these are not exocrine gland. These are exocrine gland that used to produce saliva through a system of duct. And there is a system of duct, isn't it? Through that, like this salivary gland used to help or used to produce saliva. And there are like 3 pairs of salivary gland. That is the parotid, that is submandibular, and the sublingual. So what happened is that in our salivary gland, there can also be a tumor. And the name of that tumor is oncocytoma. Understand? And this is it. This come under benign tumor. That means that this type of tumor can occur, but it will not spread to other parts of the body. Means or other parts of the organs. Means where it is, it will remain there. It will not spread to the like neighborings. Understand? Yes or no? Understand what is
Yes,
oncocytoma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is how oncocytoma looks like. It is a tumor, isn't it? This is how it look like. Like these are the like unusual large cell, you know, like a large cells that keep on forming and then tend to form into a tumor. This is how oncocytoma looks like. Okay, next. Next is the Angiomyolipoma. Whenever you study something, always try to pronounce nicely. Angio in a simple ways. You can say simply say angiomyolipoma. It's not it, but first always spell like this: angiomyolipoma. Then in the while writing an exam also, you will never get confused with the spelling. You will never make spelling mistake. So it's angiomyolipoma. Now let us see what is angiomyolipoma. Angiomyolipoma, it is also a non-cancerous tumor that is a benign tumor that consists of smooth muscle, fat, and blood vessels. And this angiomyolipoma, it is also known as a renal angiomyolipoma. And what happened this tumor, where does it affect? This tumor can affect many parts of our body, isn't it? But what happened is that it mainly affect our kidney. Means even though it occurs in many part of our body, but there is one particular organ where it is commonly seen, that is the kidney. That is the process, or that is the meaning of angiomyolipoma. This angiomyolipoma, where does it consist? It consists of what? It consists of, it is a non-cancerous tumor, it's not it? It consists of what? It consists of
Smooth muscles.
smooth
Smooth
muscle, and then
muscle.
what? And then fat, and then
Fat,
blood vessels.
blood.
Blood
Do you know
vessels.
what is smooth muscle? Smooth muscle. Do you know what is smooth muscle? You have mentioned, isn't it, that angiomyolipoma is a non-cancerous, you have said, then it consists of smooth muscle. So what is smooth muscle? Smooth muscle. What is smooth muscle? Any idea? Any idea? Any idea? शीतल, स्मूथ मसल का बारे में पता है क्या? शीतल,
मैम नहीं पता है।
और कभी सुना क्या? स्मूथ मसल
सुना
सुना?
तो है, मतलब पता तो नहीं।
Okay. To whom I will ask? Virginia, you have any idea about smooth muscle? Actually, some of the
No,
students
ma'am.
all used to know, but you used to keep quiet. Okay. Srijana, you have idea what is the meaning of smooth muscle? I think you heard the term, but do you know the meaning?
Yes, ma'am. It is a non-voluntary muscles.
Okay, it is a non-voluntary. Okay, then.
It is mainly found in respiratory, then renal system, digestive systems.
Okay. Anyone? Apart from Srijana, anyone have? No one, na? Okay. हमारा ये जो smooth muscle है ना, it is like a, what to say? How to say it? It is like a type of, like muscle tissue, which is used by various system. It is used by various system in order to apply the pressure to the vessels and organs. तो हमारा vessel में और हमारा organs में pressure apply करता है this smooth muscle. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, again, I will repeat, smooth muscle is a type of muscle tissue which is used by various systems in order to apply the pressure to vessels and organs. Okay, fat to you everyone know, blood vessels also everyone know. This is known as angiomyolipoma. It is a non-cancerous tumor. It consists of the smooth muscle, fat, as well as the blood vessel. And it is also known as renal angiomyolipoma. And this tumor, it affects mainly many parts of our body, but commonly it affects our kidney. And this renal angiomyolipoma, it is the most prevalent tumor of the kidney. Means among all the, like, there are so many tumor that occur in kidney. It's not it, but this renal angiomyolipoma, this is the most prevalent tumor of the kidney. It mainly affect, where does it mainly affect? It affect mainly the cortex or medulla part of your kidney. Do you know what is cortex or medulla? मीन्स ये जो एंजियोमायोलिपोमा है ना, ये जो ट्यूमर है ना, ये हमारा कॉर्टेक्स और हमारा यो मेडुला को ये अफेक्ट करता है. तो फॉर दैट यू नीड टू नो, इजंट इट, व्हाट इज कॉर्टेक्स, व्हाट इज मेडुला. Cortex and medulla part of your kidney. What is the cortex and what is medulla? Seriously say. Cortex और medulla नहीं पता क्या? Cortex और medulla. किडनी का स्ट्रक्चर भी नहीं पढ़ाया क्या मैम लोग? What is cortex medulla? Cortex and medulla, which part? Say.
Outer layer of the kidney.
Outer layer of the kidney, कौन सा वाला? Outer.
Cortex.
The renal cortex, this is the outer portion of the kidney, right? Okay, then what
Yes.
about this medulla part? Actually, knowingly I asked you all because you can see the screen, isn't it? In the screen, it is already mentioned. Many already mentioned kiya hua, but still you can't see. See what is this?
Ma'am,
The cortex is
inner
the
part of
outer.
the kidney.
of the kidney, ma'am.
Yes, the cortex is the outer part of the kidney. It's not it, whereas the medulla, it is the part found in the middle or else in the center of the kidney. Is it correct? What I'm saying, is it correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You need to know all
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
If you will simply study like this, कि angiomyolipoma तो yeah, it consists of this and this, और हमारा kidney का जो cortex और medulla affect करता है, ऐसा जानने से तो नहीं होगा ना, सिर्फ बाहर करने से. You need to know ना cortex कहाँ पे है, medulla कहाँ पे है. All this you need to know. Don't just by heart. This is okay. Then after that. This is the angiomyolipoma here. This is our normal kidney. अगर angiomyolipoma होने से ऐसा होता है, ऐसा. Okay, next is lipoma. Lipoma. Let us come to lipoma. Lipoma is the fourth point. Lipoma. Have you ever heard the term lipoma? Lipoma कभी सुना? Lipoma. Have you ever heard lipoma? Lipoma. Okay.
No.
Okay. Lipoma क्या है? A lipoma, it is a slow growing fatty lump. Lump का मतलब पता है? Lump. L-U-M-P. Lump. Anyone? Lump. L-U-M-P. Lump. Lump. Fatty lump का मतलब है ना mass. A mass of a substance. Understand? Mass of a substance. जो इकट्ठा होता है means like what to say, it's like a tumor type, like lump जो mass formation होता है. So a lipoma, what is lipoma? A lipoma, it is a slow growing fatty lump that most often situated between your skin and the underlying muscle layer. That means ये जो lipoma, ये जो tumor है ना, ये जो benign tumor है ना, ये कहाँ पे हम लोगों को दिखाई देता है, कहाँ पे situated होता है? Between your skin and the underlying muscle layer. Means between your skin as well as your underlying muscle layer. And then a lipoma, which feels doughy and usually isn't tender, moves readily with slight finger pressure. तो ये लाइन का मतलब है कि ये जो लिपोमा, ये जो ट्यूमर है ना, when you touch, when you feel or when you touch ना, it's not tender. Tender means क्या, जो कुछ भी like ट्यूमर होने से जब तो हम टच करते हैं तो हार्ट होता है. लेकिन ये जो लिपोमा है, ये जो लिपोमा ट्यूमर है कि ट्यूमर तो होगा लेकिन तुम जब टच करोगे या जब फील करोगे, it is not tender, it is not half, it is not like hard. That is what this line says. And it moves readily with slight finger pressure. जब finger से जब ऐसा touch करोगे तब like it moves slightly as it is not tender. So soft होगा. तो lipoma are usually detected in middle age. तो ये like middle age में ज़्यादा ही like ये detected होता है, ज़्यादा ही middle age में ज़्यादा ही common होता है. Some people have more than one lipoma. तो लिपोमा ये जो है कि like it's not that in a person ना, हमारा शरीर पे सिर्फ like एक लिपोमा होगा, ऐसा नहीं, एक ट्यूमर होगा जिस ट्यूमर का नाम लिपोमा था, ऐसा नहीं है. Some people may have more than one lipoma. 1, 2, 3, 4 ट्यूमर जो हम लिपोमा बोलते हैं वो शरीर पे हो सकता है. And then a lipoma is not cancer. It's not cancer means it's not cancerous and usually is harmless. ये कैंसर तक लीड नहीं होता है और ये harmless है. तो इसका मतलब that's why only ना it comes under benign. So that is non-cancerous. Then the treatment generally is not necessary. But if the lipoma bother you, is painful or is growing, you may want to have it removed. तो ये जो लिपोमा है ना, जो लाइक ये जो लिपोमा है, अगर तुमको बॉर्डर किया, अगर ये जो लिपोमा जो ट्यूमर तुम्हारा शरीर में जो लिपोमा का ट्यूमर फॉर्म हुआ, अगर वो ट्यूमर तुमको बॉर्डर किया, बॉर्डर मीन्स डिस्टर्ब किया. Srijana, keep on taking the attendance. Only 10 minutes left. If that lipoma bother you या disturb you ना, या फिर if it is painful, दर्द हो रहा है, या फिर जो लिपोमा है ना वो उसका size increase होते रहा है, like it keep on growing, then what you need to do is you may want to have it removed. तो उसको हटाने से सबसे best है. Even though the treatment is not necessary, but if it keep on growing or if it lead discomfort in your body, then it is better if you remove it. Do you understand what is lipoma? Student, lipoma समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. ईशान समझ में आया? ईशान, sleeping.
Yes. No, ma'am.
Okay. समझ में आया क्या? मैं तुमको explain करने को बोलूँगी lipoma.
हाँ मैम समझ में आया.
After at the end of the class, not now. Only 8 minutes left. Hurry up. Okay. This is lipoma. This is the 4th point. This is lipoma. Actually, the picture are not that much clear. You won't understand that much. Even in the Google also, there is not much nice picture. So this is our normal kidney. Like this, agar lipoma hua to aisa ho jayega. This one, this was our normal kidney. Is not it. लेकिन lipoma जब होता है ना, तब ऐसा हो जाता है. ये tumor, ये जो tumor है, ऐसा हो जाता है. Next is the fibroma or fibroma, you can say. Fibroma, this. Next is fibroma. As time is running, I will be teaching you till here for today. Fibroma. What is fibroma? It is this fibroma, that is this fibroma tumor. It is very, very small in size. Understand? It is very, very small in size. और ये asymptomatic होता है. Asymptomatic का मतलब है जो symptoms दिखाई नहीं देता ना, उसको बोलते हैं asymptomatic. इसका symptoms दिखाई नहीं देता. तो ये जो fibroma, that is fibroma, ये जो tumor है ना, it is most commonly found in the woman as compared to that of the man. And it usually occur in the rim of the kidney, and it may reach large size before being detected. तो ये क्या है? ये जो ट्यूमर है ना, जब इंसान का शरीर में ये जब ट्यूमर फॉर्म होता है, तो ये एसिम्प्टोमेटिक है, तो उसका सिम्टम शो नहीं करता, लाइक शरीर में ट्यूमर है या नहीं है, बाहर से दिखाई नहीं देता. तो व्हाट हैपन है, जब दिखाई देता है तब इट मे रीच द लार्ज साइज. जब क्योंकि उसका सिम्टम्स दिखाई नहीं देता, तो जब इतना बड़ा हो जाता है तब मींस बॉडी का बाहर से दिखाई देता है. That is why this line have mentioned that it may reach the large size before being detected. Understand this fibroma? You understand what is fibroma? It usually occur in the rim of the kidney. It usually occur in the rim of the kidney. Only 5 minutes left. Understand?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, please explain one more.
Oh, okay. This fibroma, this is or fibroma, you can say anything. These are like, these tumor are very much small in size. Understand? These are very small in size, and they the symptoms don't used to be shown. That is why it is known as asymptomatic. So we can't know that a person have fibroma or not until and unless the tumor size grows. The tumor size grow. Until unless the tumor size grow, we can't detect. So when we detect that time, it used to be like the size already reached to its maximum size. The size of the tumor already reached the maximum size. Then only we used to come to know that from externally we used to come to know that a person have fibroma tumor, and it is usually occur on the rim of the kidney. Okay, only 5 minutes left. Okay, let me ask you all today how much we have discussed. To whom I will ask? Samuel is absent now today. Okay, no problem. Finisha, can you please tell me the first type of benign tumor? Hurry up, hurry up.
Metanephrique adenoma.
Okay, Sheetal, can you please tell me second one? Hurry up, every time is running. शीतल सेकंड वाला पॉइंट मैंने जो दिया था कुछ भी बोलो क्या
Oncocytoma.
स्पेलिंग करो तो
ONCOCYTOMA.
Okay. Ishan, tell me the next point. Number 3, bolo. Rudolph, get ready. The next one.
Lipoma.
Lipoma. Okay, lipoma also will go. Okay. Rudolph, tell me one. Rudolph, tell me one. Rudolph, are you there? Okay, Ilasara, tell me one.
Angiomyolipoma.
Okay, correct. Okay, who will tell me? Surajit, tell me the last one. Only 3 minutes left. Tell me. Surajit, और एक बोलो मैंने जो explain किया था आज. Surajit. Shelly, tell me one point.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me one point.
Fibroma.
Oh, fibroma. Okay. Fibroma, you can pronounce anything. Srijana, are you there? You finished taking attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. You tell me the 5 types of this one, this benign tumor. That is the non-cancerous tumor that we have discussed today. Hurry up. Only
Metanephrique adenoma, oncocytoma, angiomyolipoma, lipoma, and fibroma.
Oh, can you please tell me what is the name of that particular tumor that it was asymptomatic?
Fibroma.
Fibroma. Okay. Ishan, can you please explain what is like a lipoma? Ishan, lipoma क्या था? Ishan, lipoma क्या था? Ilasara, explain. Say, Ishan.
Ma'am, it is a slow-growing fatty lump that most often situated between your skin and underlying muscle layer.
Okay. ये जो lipoma है ना, ये is it hard? Is it very like soft to touch or it is tender to touch? So,
It is very soft.
okay. Good. Okay, we will discuss this much for today as time used to be very less. Even though I want to teach more, then also time used to be like it's very short. That's why tomorrow is Saturday now. I have your class at 9:15, I guess. Okay, tomorrow let's see. I will try to complete this topic. Do you want any suggestion for your sessional exam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then tomorrow we will mainly discuss about what like how will the pattern of the question be, like what chapter I will include. All this in tomorrow class I will discuss with you. Okay, is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.